Hey y'all, me and Cuz out here in these Aruba streets, checking out what's going on. I can't come to Aruba without getting me at least one drink. Okay, let's go. We gonna go to Lucy's. Lucy's here in Aruba and check it out. Oh, wait a minute. What's this place here? Oh, stay tuned for more adventure. We passed the paddock. Now we're looking at Lucy's Retired Surfers Bar and Restaurant here in Aruba, y'all. And they got a casino called the Wind Creek. Oh, Lord. So we walking these streets of Aruba, checking things out. Hey, y'all. Me and Cuz, where we at, Cuz? Where we at? We live in Aruba, sitting here on Lucy's Bar. Lucy's Bar, man, look. We can't leave Aruba. We can't leave Aruba without having a drink, right? We got in here till 9:30. Hey y'all! Look at my beautiful waitress here at Lucy's. I'm about to have me a margarita run. Yeah, Aruba. Just checking out some wings here at the Lucy in Aruba. Let's see how they wings taste, right? I am enjoying myself too. These wings ain't bad.
It's barbecue whip.
No, this is garlic parmesan. They fry them really nice and it's some good oil too. It ain't greasy. It's good. Yeah. All I need now is a cold beer.